deeply into my soul. It's the Wind Up Bird Chronicles by Харуку Мураками. In Russian, it's Хроники ЗАВОДНОЙ ПТИЦЫ. It is quite difficult for me to describe what this book was like. It is surreal, psychedelic, it is mysterious, something out of this world. You just need to stop questioning things and let yourself carried away. It all started boring and ordinary, the everyday life of an ordinary Japanese family. So there are husband, wife, missing cat, searching for the cat, but where the usual part of the story ends. Then everything will be completely different. So their sisters with strange names and no less strange steps will burst into the life of a main character. A former military man who passed the Second World War will appear, and unusual neighbor girl will drop by, and it's just the beginning of the story. So Toru Akada, the main character's life, will be turned upside down and in the most unexpected way. And amidst all of this, Haruku Murakami addresses the themes of alienation, loneliness, and individual search for identity. He also questions the national identity while exploring some horrifying stories about the Second World War. And true, he leaves a lot of questions to be answered, but it's one of those books where the journey matters more than where the story finally leads you. So in a few places, the prose is a bit wordy and repetitious. Maybe it is flawed masterpiece, but a masterpiece nonetheless. And this is how my love for Murakami